One of the biggest problems that I often hear from you guys is you not being able to form the right sentence in your head at the right time when you speak English, you not being able to form the correct sentence when you speak English, and that's what I'm going to talk about in this video. In this video, I am going to teach you how to form the right sentence at the right time when you speak English. I am going to teach you how to get the right words at the right time when you speak English, because I have often hear from you guys that you don't get the right words at the right time when you speak English. Before I talk about anything, let me introduce myself to you guys. My name is Gulshan and I help you with your spoken English. I come from a Hindi medium background and I had zero knowledge of English in 2020. I was not able to speak even a single sentence without making errors. In this video, I am going to teach you how to get the right words at the right time, because once I was also a beginner. I was also not able to get the right words at the right time, and I can feel what you are feeling. I can feel what you are going through right now if you are facing these problems, and I am going to give you the solution for this problem, because I was there, I have been there. This problem of yours not being able to get the right words at the right time is happening with you because you have not talked to enough people in English. You have not practiced enough of English speaking. You have not put in the time. That's why you are having this problem. Yeah, I was having the same problem a few years ago. I was also not able to get the right words, get the right sentence in my head at the right time, and I used to question all the time, why am I not getting the right words at the right time? What's the reason? Like, I used to frustrate a lot because I did not know the reason behind me not being able to get the right word at the right time. But after practicing a lot, after practicing English speaking enough, I was slowly able to getting the right words at the right time when I used to talk to people in English. And that's what I want you to do. I just want you to practice enough of English speaking. Let me tell you that if you are facing this problem, you are not alone. Everyone who learns this language, who learns to speak this language, face this problem. So don't worry, you are not alone. Now let me tell you the solution for this problem. And the solution that I am going to tell you in this video, I want you to stick to this solution for 3 months and come back to this video after 3 months and tell me how much you have improved your English. Okay, so now it's time for me to reveal the secret. Tell you that the solution for this problem is shadowing technique. Yeah, if you do shadowing technique for 3 months, this problem of you not being able to get the right word at the right time will fade away. This is my guarantee. So I want you to set aside 2 hours every single day, and for 1 hour I want you to listen to something that you understand, and for 1 hour I just want you to repeat that thing. This is called shadowing technique. I just want you to play a video that you understand, that should be in English, and I want you to practice that. I want you to repeat that in your own words. That's the thing that you need to be doing on a daily basis for 3 months, and this problem of you not being able to deliver the right sentence at the right time will fade away. This is my guarantee. The problem of you not being able to form the right sentence in your head at the right time is genuine, and you have to solve this problem with genuinity, and that genuinity of solving this problem is following the shadowing technique. Yeah, let me tell you one more important thing. I just want you to learn some basic grammar rules in order for you to form sentences in your head, because if you're not coming from English medium background, it will be very difficult for you to follow shadowing technique. So it's very essential for you to learn some basic grammar rules to form sentences in your head, because that way you are going to follow shadowing technique easily. So that's what you need to also keep in mind when using or when following shadowing techniques. Okay, so I have just told you my experience. I have told you how I overcame this problem, and this is how I overcame this problem. I used shadowing technique in order to overcome this problem, and this is how I just overcame. This is how I learned to form sentences in my head at the right time. So yeah, this is something that you can do to overcome this problem of you not being able to form the right sentence at the right time, because this is a practical guide that I have given you, and this is the practical guide I followed and I got the result. And if I got the result, you will get the result too. Just I will not talk much in this video. I have just given you the solution for this problem. Stick to this plan at least for 3 months, only then you are going to get some results. So this is very important for you to stick to this plan for at least 3 months to get some results. Okay, so if you like this video, I just want you to hit the like button. I also want you to subscribe to this channel, because I keep coming with such unique contents on my channel.